Jaws all drop at the candy shop when we walk in the store. It's a frightening display. Jaws all drop at the candy shop when we walk in the store. It's a frightening display. Mothers hide their children's eyes and hurry towards the door. I don't even want to know the things that they will say, but they can't take our love away. No, they can't take our love away. Big old guns in Washington, they like to kill our fun. Man, they sure don't like to play. They care more about our bedrooms than they do about their boardrooms. That's the price we gotta pay. Hey, but they can't take our love away. No, they can't take our love away. No, they can't take our love away. Never meant to say I love you. I never meant to lead you on. But sometimes pride can get the best of me, drag the rest of me along. Leave behind the stains of battle, count the dead and grieve the loss. A civil war without a victor. I never really cared about the loss. If there's a town beyond the sky where greet you by and by. I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. I found the door that leads to nothing. I crossed the threshold once or twice, but there was nothing in the nothingness, not just the absence of life. There was a whisper in the shadows. There was writing on the wall, and soon the curtains had been drawn apart. I braced my body for the fall. If there's a town beyond the sky where they greet you by and by, I will stay down here and hide. No, I will never meet you in the light. Please forgive me if I'm broken. It wasn't you who lit the spark. I've glued the pieces back together as many times as I've fallen apart. If there's a town beyond the sunrise, I hope they let you through the door. But me, I'm walking down the darker road. At least I know what lies in store.